Hello everyone, good day to all my friends, subscribers and viewers. Welcome to our channel. So we have a property, new listing. Total area is 394 square meters. Clean title for sale at 15,000 pesos per square meter net. Located in Greenwood Subdivision, Pulang Batu, Cebu City. So it is located in Pulang Batu. It is like a mountain barangay in Cebu City. So medyo mabukid na ni siya guys, pero not too far, dili pa kay layo sa Cebu City. From Talamban, kung dili ka mo agi sa likod, no, this is like a shortcut road going to the property or going to Greenwood Subdivision. So money ang pinaka shortcut guys. Although sa dool na dito near to the site mostly are rough roads, pero murag na-develop naman yun na nagani condominium itukod po dito dapita nya na din mga subdivision po gyapon. So this is really good listings for the kanang house and lot development. Actually there are two size, no, duha ni ka gidak-on nga lote, two sizes, 178 square meters and 216 square meters mo nang yang gidak-on guys, pero it is for sale at a time. So maligyar ka sa owner, although the owner contacted me because naingon naman ko nga if you have properties for sale, just let me know or just contact me, I will help you sell your property. So kini guys, barato ra gyud ni, no, medyo barato ra gyud kay kuan man siya, tawag ana subdivision, mahal man sa lahi na magpresyo, taas man presyo sa Santa Lucia, no, 19,000 man siguro to ang latest price, pero pagkataas pa gyud na siya guys. Pero kini si ma'am o si sir ilalang ibaligya sa 15,000 pesos per square meter. Pwede ta manigosit siya gamay, pero gamay lang di gyud ako. Then net na sila guys kay kuan na si tawag ana, kita na silbi may mobayad sa taxes. So magining net. So mo na siya guys ang gidak-on sa karsada. This is how